Let's take an example.
Nothing you cannot do. Protocol.
Please don't be singing with your mic on. You can mute your mic and sing if you want to sing. Example, write 2/3. Write it as what? Write it as a percentage. Write it as a percentage. Okay, so we're going to take the solution of that. When we are asked to write a fraction, okay, we're asked to write it as a percentage. So when we are asked to take solution, when we are asked to write a number like this, 2/3 as a percentage, the first thing we are going to do will be for us to just divide it with 100. We just multiply this fraction like this with 100. That's just it. Multiply it with 100. I don't know if I need to write it down, but okay, let me write it down. Okay, just multiply just multiply the fraction by 100 by 100. Okay, so okay, let me use something else for that 100 by 100. Okay, that's fine. Now, this is what we mean. So the fraction is 2/3. And we are told that we need to multiply by 100. So we just say times 100 times 100. This is 2/25. Please guys, let's change it. This please change let's change this. It's 25. It's 25. Okay. Let's change that to 25. This is 25. This is 25. All right. So if you multiply this with 100, what is just going to happen is just this 100 is the same thing as saying 2/25 times 100 over 1. It's the same thing. And when we are doing that, if you want to multiply 2 times 100 to give you 200 is correct. If you want to say 2 times and then you now divide it by 25 is correct. But it might be too much for you. So what you just simply do is the denominator by the left hand side will divide the numerator on the left. And the same thing applicable to this one. Right denominator into left denominator. Or let me just put it up. You divide numerator by denominator. Anyone that goes, you divide. If 2 can divide 25, divide. If 25 can divide 100, divide. So in this case, there is a number that can divide 25 and 100. So we use 2 cannot divide both of them. 3 cannot divide both of them, but 5 can divide both of them. So we use 5. 5 into 25 is 5 times is 5 times. And then 5 into 100 could be too much. You now say 5 into 10 is 2. Now 5 into this 0 is 0. That's 20. We can still proceed with using 5. 5 into itself is 1. Now 5 into 20 is 4. We are done. There is nothing again. We cannot divide 2 and 4 because they are numerators. Numerators cannot divide.
Uh,
So yes,
so please, give me 2 minutes. I'll come back.
we can't wait for you. We proceed. Rush and come back and meet us. Anywhere you're going, rush and come back, meet us. So 2 times 4 2 times 4 will give us 8. So we just write it 8. And 1 times 1 is 1. It's the same thing as 8. So we were to change it to percentage. We are going to bring in our percentage symbol, and that will be 8%. Please, this symbol is very, very important. The symbol is very, very important. Okay, we have another question here, and we are asked to. So I'll take this one as class activity. Okay, this is other example. You guys to do for me right now in class. Example 2, and your question is write 7/4 as a percentage. Right, and what we are given is 7/4 as a percentage. Right, 7/4 as a percentage. Okay, anybody that can give me the answer in less than 1 minute, we take 1 or 2 answers. Time starts now.
Sir, what is the question?
Question is write 7/4 as a percentage.
So I've got my answer.
Okay, Moses, what's your answer?
175%.
175%. Okay, any other person? No other person? Okay, so let's see. Let's take solution.
Sorry, don't call me.
Okay, 10 more seconds. Okay,
So my answer is 175%.
that's Nora.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same thing.
Sir, my
Yes,
answer is 85%.
that's Ibrahim.
Yes.
85.
Yes. She
Okay,
said no.
I like when people have different answers. I like it. Let's take solution. Let's take solution. Okay, so you have to change it to percentage. We just write the fraction down, 7/4, and then since we are asked to change to percentage, we multiply with 100. We multiply with 100, and that 100 is the same thing as saying 100/1. It's the same thing. So in the division of fraction, numerator divides denominator. Numerator, denominator. So you look at 7 and 4. Can they divide themselves without remainder? No, we leave it. We now move to 4 and 100. Can they divide themselves without a remainder? Yes, they can. So we can use 2 first. 2 into 4 is how many times? 2 into 4 is 2 times. Now, 2 into 100, first thing we say 2 into 10. 2 into 10 will give us 5. Yes, and then 2 into this 0 will give us 0, and the 50. We can still proceed to divide. This time we can still proceed to divide, and that will be 2 into itself is 1 time. 2 into 50, we now say 2 into 5 first. 2 into 5 is 2 times remainder 1. Add that 1 to this 0, it becomes 10. Now 2 into this 10 becomes 5. becomes 5. So the answer in that place there is 25. But that's not all. That's not all. We need to multiply out 7 times 5. Now 7 times 5, we need to multiply that. And when we multiply 25 by 7, that's 7 times 5 is 35. 5 carry 3. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So here becomes 175. 175 over 1. 1 times 1 is the same thing. So 175% is correct. So Moses, Nora had it. Ibrahim, that was not really correct, but you tried. You tried. It's always good for us to try it. Okay, before I give you assignment, let us take, please write down. I'm going to clear the screen, and then I'll give you assignment. Those of you watching in the future,
I'm done.
okay. Those of you watching the class in the future, do the assignment and submit it with the available channel that is being made for you. With the channel made available for you. Very, very important. Okay, so
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
all right. So I wanna wipe this screen. I'm gonna wipe this screen. Conversion of I'm gonna wipe the screen. That will be gone. Be gone. That'll be gone. I think this can also go. This can also go. So that's all right. Let's take one more before I give our assignment, and that will be how to convert from how to convert conversion of percentage to fraction. Conversion of percentage to fraction. Okay, so let's just take that. On version of percentage to fraction. Conversion of percentage to fraction. Okay, so we have an example. We have an example, and the question is convert. What are we to convert? We have to convert 150 150% to what? To fraction. To a to convert this to a fraction. Okay, so let's see the solution of this. Solution of this is simple. It's just simple. What we have to do there is just for us to go ahead and divide. Don't confuse yourself with any other thing. 150% is the same thing as saying 150 all over 100. The same thing. And you go ahead to divide. When you go ahead to divide, what happens is last zero, you'll always cancel last zero when you see a question like that. And what you are left now is 15 and 10. Yes, so you go ahead to divide. Which number can divide 15 and 10 without a remainder? That will be 5. Let's use 5. 5 will come into 10 2 times, and then 5 will come into 15, and that will be 3 times. So the answer of this becomes 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Okay, with that, let's take assignment. Any question on what we've done so far? Let's take assignment. And the first question in the assignment will be for us to convert the following fractions to percentages. Convert. Oh no. Convert the following
So you will rest right today. Hello, so would you rest like this video because
convert
it's like
the following. Please mute your mic, convert the following to what are you converting to? We are converting to
That the answer
percentages.
is 5.
Answer to what?
To divide 15 and 10.
Did I give a question like that?
no, sir. You asked us what can be used to divide 15 and 10.
And the answer is 5. Yeah, we finished it now. We've gotten it as 3/2. You guys were not there.
I am.
Yeah.
Yeah, we finished. We used that 5 to divide. We used it to divide. 5 comes into 10 two times. 5 comes into 15 three times. The answer was 3/2 that we have here. Okay, so the first,
Ah,
yes.
I'm supposed to change it to mixed fraction.
That's a fraction. We are not asked
We're
to
not
change.
supposed to change it to mixed fraction. This is fraction.
This is a fraction. We are not asked to change to mixed fraction. We are asked, the question was convert to a fraction. We are not told to convert to mixed fraction, improper fraction, or anything. But if you still choose to take it to a mixed fraction, it's not wrong. It's not wrong. But 3/2 is correct. Convert the following. Yeah, that's a good one, but it's a fraction that we have to change it to. Convert the following to percentage. The first one, number 1, will be 5/50. Number 2 will be 2 over
So
10.
what are we converting to?
I'm giving you what we are converting to. You are converting number 1, 5/50, 2/10 to percentage.
I can't see the screen.
Please adjust the screen from your own ends. Just touch it and then adjust it. Drag it to the left or to the right. You are using a smartphone or a tablet. Thank you. The next question is for us to. Okay, let's have another one. Number 3. Let's have number 3. Number 3 is 7/4. I don't think we did that. Yeah, we did 7/4. Let's have 7/2 this time around. Okay. Next question is for us to convert the following to fraction. Convert the following to fraction. And number 4 is 25%. Number 5 Number 5 will give us 75%. Okay. And the next question will be for us to write the following fractions as decimal. Write the following fractions as
So
decimal.
please, what's number one?
I can't go back. Zoom your screen and you see it. Number 1 is for also convert the following to percentage. Okay, write the following as fraction. That's question number 6 and 7. That is question 6. And what we are asked to write as decimal, we have 2 over 3, 2 over 3, and then number 7 we have 10, over 4. All right, guys, this will be your assignment. Do it, and tomorrow we start marking our assignments tomorrow by 4 in the evening. So if you submit your assignment later than tomorrow evening, we won't mark it, because some persons, when they submit their assignment, when others submit, some person will now copy what other people are doing and they submit. So when you submit your assignment late, we won't mark it. Okay, guys, that will be the end of the class. Those of us watching the class in the future, please endeavor to submit your assignment through the appropriate channel.